We have the different types of tires here at Triangle Equipment Company. We have the foam filled severe duty tires, and we have a couple different kinds of the heavy duty tires. We have the two types of heavy duty tires. We have some with a thicker tread that are used for the rock, the gravel, and the concrete. A lot of stuff that's going to wear and tear on the tire. And then we have a smaller thread heavy duty tire that's for like the more grass and the dirt areas, and something that won't be as hard as on the tire. Here we have the 10 by 16.5 severe duty foam filled tire. They'll get punctured, but they won't go flat. So it cuts down on the downtime and keeps you going through your job, whatever job you're doing. I think this is probably my favorite because they are used for all different terrains. We have a number of different options with different price points. They all are good. They all get the job done. Just keep in mind it's important to know what size tire you have and what condition you're working in, just so we can get you the right tire. We have them all in stock now, and if you have any questions, we're happy to help.